This video tutorial will walk you through the process of linking and grade syncing your Vantage course to your Blackboard course, creating multiple links and grade sync all at once within a folder. Before you can include deep links in your Blackboard course, you will need to create your Sage Vantage course, which I've already done. And also, depending on your Blackboard environment, you may have either the original course view, which is this view here in black, or you'll see the ultra view, which is all white, and you can add content by clicking on the little plus sign there. But we're doing the original view today. So we want to go into our content area. I'm going to go to student resources, and I'm going to build a folder to put all of our links in. So we're going to go to build content, and let's go to a content folder, and I'm going to just call it Vantage assignment, and then we'll go ahead and submit it. And now that's going to be at the very bottom. So we're going to go into our new Vantage assignment tab, the folder. We're going to click here, and now we want to go to build content, and we're going to go find our Sage Vantage LTI tool link. You won't have this many. I do because we have different divisions and different stages in production. So I'm going to click on my Sage Vantage LTI tool, and now I have my picker here. So I'm going to do all resource type. I'm going to click here, and I'm going to do all of my chapter readings. I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to click on everything that says introduction, because this is the very first page to each chapter. So I'm going to click there, and this chapter, click that, and then 3 is skills approach introduction, and so forth and so forth. So I'm going to pull in a couple of chapters here. So I did about 6 chapters just to get an idea. So now we're going to go from the readings. I'm going to go to the chapter test, and I'm going to select all. And then we're going to go back to self-assessments. They have those here. So I'm going to select all, and then also let's go to some video activities. And just for the sake of training, I'm going to go ahead and click all of these. So now I'm going to hit continue. I'm going to go check here too. I can check and make sure that I've got everything. So we're going to go hit continue. And now this is my confirmation page. So I have all my reading activities. I have all of my video activities and my chapter test. So everything's here. It's all linked in grade sync. So you have the access for all the links, and then the access for the grade sync under grade sync. Remember the link to the course. This is the link that's going to get put into Blackboard, and then the grade sync tells Vantage to send the grade to your Blackboard course. We're going to click continue. We're successful. Let's go back into our content area. We're going to go in here and hit refresh. The refresh button is at the top of the black navigation toolbar in Blackboard. We're going to click there. And now here are all our assignments, all in one folder and all that quick and easy. If I were to click on one of the video activities, just to show you that it's going to go take us straight to that part in the book. And here's our video activity. So we're going to also go back into my content area, and I do that by clicking on. So I also want to show you the grade center, how now everything is in the grade center. So we're going to go into full grade center. We're going to get a chance to load. And now I have all of my chapter tests. We keep scrolling down. I have now all of the different activities. So here's everything that I grade sync as well as link. This concludes our tutorial on multiple links and grade syncs. Thank you. Have a great day.